Hey, what's up everybody? It's Brendan 10 here, and I just got this new, well, if you didn't know, ever since mobile got banned, I switched to Nintendo Switch. So now I got this portable monitor, and let's get a full view of that so that I can connect my Switch controller to the portable monitor. And today we're gonna do an unboxing. Let me get my knife. Alright, so we're just gonna take our knife here. And we're gonna check to see if there's any tape. Well, we're gonna need that later, so I'm gonna put that aside because there's no tape on this box. And there, box open. We take that. Wow. So we have a foam sheet. We have another foam sheet.
You know what? It's just skins. It's just skins. Don't worry about it.
And we have another foam.
Don't worry about
another
it.
foam sheet. And we also have a manual,
But this game is for fun. Just don't take
a
it too
wire,
seriously.
2 other wires, and a charging plug. Oh yeah, this is probably the charger. And we have these 3 foam
my bad. I
sheets.
didn't realize you're on people.
We have these 3 foam sheets. We're gonna set aside later. Maybe I can actually use them in future videos to do challenges. And then let's see if there's anything else in the box. Alright, so you can set the box aside with these foam sheets. And now we're actually gonna take a look into what we have here. We have this user guide and this redeemable code. As I said, this wire, it looks like it's for charging as well. We have an HDMI wire. And then we have a charging wire and this charging plug. But with those, for that, now we actually have, look how cool this is. A portable monitor that I can connect my Nintendo Switch controller too, and it actually looks like a mini TV. You could probably watch Netflix on this, or watch YouTube, or anything else. Come to think of it, this looks like one of those little airplane TVs that's attached to the back of the guy in front of you, their seat. And I'm just gonna peel off this sticker here. Yes. So I'm gonna try and peel that sticker off. Alright. So I'm gonna enlist the help of my grandma to help me peel off this sticker. And also, alright, you got that? Alright. I got it from here. Okay, alright, I got it. Okay, and let me just fully peel off this sticker here. And there, the sticker is off. I'm gonna try and clean that a little bit. Can you give me wet tissue? And there is actually a screen protector here. I'm gonna take that off because I don't like screen protectors. Oh, and actually I could have just taken the whole screen protector off and not half. There is a little screen protector here. I could have just taken it off and then not have to peel off the sticker, but who cares? So at the back of this, we have a few speakers in this little label. On the front is the monitor. And on the sides, we actually have some plugs. Here, we have these buttons. I think they are buttons. And we have these. A headphone, a DP plug, an HD plug, a video in plug, and a power plug. I don't know where that HDMI plug is gonna go. Oh, we actually have buttons corresponding to these signs. So this button would be for channel and this is for power. Oh, that's actually cool. And then we have a stand with that can adjust. So you can either put it in there or there. Alright, and that's it with the monitor. Put this sticky screen protector away. And now we have a few bags that can be opened. One of them is actually a charger. We also have the giant block that you attach the charger to. Let's cut that open. Let's be careful and try not to cut this. So we're taking that out. And then this will actually connect to this, like that. This looks a bit like a Samsung charger, don't you think? I'm really gonna keep that wire on. We don't need this charger bag. And we have two cords. We have this cord. This is the video in cord. And we also have this cord. Which this is most likely the HD and DP cords. Though this looks like an HDMI cord. So I don't know how that's gonna fit in there. Maybe it'll fit in the back. I don't know. So we don't need these bags. And then we have three cords or wires. We have this, the big one, the smaller one, and the charging, which is the smallest. And let's open this manual as well. And this manual is basically just a bunch of rules about using this, I guess. Well, I think this is the manual, but in different languages. So let's try and find English. Let's see if there's a content. Yes, there's this. So the first page 1 to 28 is English. So right now we have a monitor introduction page. And then we have a how to connect monitor with devices. Phone, PC, laptop. Another PC/laptop. And other devices such as a mini HDMI or a PlayStation. And then we also have some of these, like how to rotate your screen or how to set your PC or laptop monitor to duplicate. And it's all of the functions. Yeah, and this is basically just all of the functions in the manual. Well, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing video with my new portable monitor, and I guess that wraps it up for the video. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Alright, bye.